love so much. I'm going to check out Baba and them. Drunko, soon there. This is nice. Good life, Jamaica. People build up them things, you know. Now we are getting built up, you know. People come home, you know. There's a lot of crime here in Jamaica. You see no big grill up on the window of them. See? People are easy going. I know of them care. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good to see you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I drunk already. Baba. What? Baba, you don't look good.
No, me drunk already.
You don't look good. I know your birthday.
I have my money in my pocket to support myself. Me not drunk off for your money, you know. I eat in the lap on for you, man. I feel go over me go, you can't walk out. So if you give me a money now, me put it in a bank till when you're gone. Me have 3,000 like I'm a bushy dig. So nobody asks me if I drunk already. I'm free me money me I drunk off. Come back, we buy a drink. Me buy a drink. Me no want no drunk already.
It don't look good for you. I saw him turn out now.
Yes, man.
I just turn him in now. Are you introduce him to bad boy? Are you?
No. No, yeah, him there I drink for a long time, but you I drink turbo, me I drink rum.
I saw him turn out now. I have to come rescue him, man. No, man, it don't look good for you. You look like...
Turn on the camera, man.
Camera already turn on, you know.
Yes, Alani?
I'm not.
Froggy! Come here, man. Come here.
The whole world.
Come here, Froggy.
I see say you don't look good. Baba not drink no more.
No.
I saw you do him.
No, me don't want you tell me that.
No, but I need to.
Don't tell me that.
How much you drink, Hardy?
No, you can't tell me that.
How much you drink, Hardy?
If you are going to tell me, say, we not drink no more, you disrespect me.
All right, I'm going to give you 5 more.
Give me 10 more, me drinking.
A bad boy my drink.
Bad boy.
A special me I drink, man.
Oh, I tell you.
You see when
Me
you
come here to buy you a drink.
You see when you left? You see when you left Angana Christiana?
Yeah. I don't
Me come down and want a drink here. Because me tell them, say, you coming to buy a drink. Call Mr. Sparks, because me tell Mr. Sparks, say, you're coming to spend.
I'm buying a 700 thing.
No, man.
Fire terror, look who ya. The whole world I see you, you know.
No, man. Listen to me, I say no.
Talk to me.
Listen to me.
You say Baba.
Stand
Them
up,
I go text you and say Baba.
Give me one match.
So
you register?
Yeah. And if I go propose all them, you will remember still because.
Well, baby.
Yeah, baby. Yeah.
And then them give it to Angelina.
Right.
So Mr. Sparks, see him go register.
Yeah, man. Them know that them mother don't tell them.
No,
Yeah,
but the
no.
mother them not tell them.
But and the rest of them, for them, I go propose all to my watch. And then the time they, you know, I'm midwife deliver you a yard.
Midwife.
So I was delivered at the yard.
Yeah, Pauline, come here, come the baby.
Yes.
Yeah.
Cause they know you feel mother.
Yeah, man.
You know.
So him are the father. But if I him register you.
Because their father in a work and he couldn't come. So she asked me if we go do it. And my father go propose office, just go sign.
You
the
sign?
paper. Yeah, just go sign the paper.
You put film name down.
Yeah, just go write his name to it.
Feel father.
So you put the name down, but you sign it.
Yes.
Because them need a man there.
Yes, in the because
Give thanks, sir.
they never go register without
The man.
a father. They never get the mother one. You understand? But if him come in like now, you see, now you can, the amount of backdoor deal we are going now, you woman want can register them picking it. But if you have baby in a hospital now, you can register it and come home. But not in the time they were a midwife time.
Yes.
Okay.
You have somebody after the baby born the 6 week. After the baby 6 week, you have to go to post office go register it over our Craig.
Yeah.
You understand?
So this man are you registration for?
But then, even when the mother come here,
When my birthday.
then you say it's up in the night.
I know
It's
sense.
in the night because put them in full up and if anyone want to, you don't just get a good night rest.
Yes.
You know what I mean? I think me card back. So my brother, you know, my brother will live in America, I work with him.
Oh, the
Tim.
builder.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Tim. Yeah,
Construction
man.
man.
Yeah, man, my brother.
I think work for my in them.
Yeah.
Yes, I know. They talk about him.
Yeah, man.
Tim, you know that?
Yeah,
And
man.
my brother.
I think brother.
Yeah, man. Let me just spend 3 weeks in America about since in August.
Yeah.
And 15 or 16 when I come back. Yeah, man.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks. And you take care of it.
Yeah, man.
So she did have it rough when she had go.
Oh, you know, the time they, I mean, rough time, you know.
Rough time, man.
Very rough time, you know, and you know, say, Martin and Paddy, they back after school, when they got school right up.
From Burnley at school, them up.
So when they had the baby, them, you know, they after that, they still go back at school.
You must come like a dent and a cake. No tap gas school.
Then you say to me, sister Shelly. Shelly, that's why I know Shelly at school. I know Shelly at America 40, Shelly 48 this year, Shelly's at school.
So you hold it down for the whole generation, you're still there here?
Yeah, man.
You like it here?
Yes, man. Yes, somebody have to say, you have to
You see, man, the American need left
keep
come
the
back.
original place, you know, that if anybody come can still have some if you come stay for the few days where they might have you know, so they now can't live. As long as they might there is a week.
1 week or 2 weeks.
So everybody just come and spend a good time. Cause, you know, right now, I have 2 nephews. Okay. But then call me up last week, tell me, say, they might come here and spend about 4 days in February because the youth will be around the corner there. Man, them a good friend up there. And he always keep a party the last Saturday of February.
Yeah.
So he can call me last week, tell me, say, they might come down here to the party because of our last year. They might promise Jonathan to come. So when they were married, now I go say, him and his wife not going nowhere if he married. So
I did them up.
my okay, I'm coming here February, come spend 1 week, 4 or 5 days. Come at Jonathan party because they say Jonathan a good boy.
A big party that in a man. Road block and away.
He's a good boy so.
If you come at the party February, you see? You can make $1 million. Road block. You see from there, sir? Yeah. Can't park for now, you so straight up to
man.
Denny Yard Gate.
Pass, go up the road.
Pass up the road.
Yeah, man.
So it go.
Seem there. I know you what no. This is what Baba provide for me again. Every year when you see me come to this place and talk to Baba and eat food and progress I make, you know. Baba send them kids them to school and them all know what the age now, Baba.
Well, then you are 30. 29, you know, 30 birthday gone.
Yeah.
Then turn about 24, about 25. You know, full of November I come then turn at 25.
And K.
Here 22.
So now you're ready for build on your house now?
Yes.
Are the kids them taken care
Yeah,
of?
man. Kids will take care of me.
How's your health?
I'm health good there right now.
You did have a knee problem?
Knee problem. That get better, man.
I get better?
Yeah, man. Now we are move on now.
So you're good. So the next chapter, the next time me feel you and me come down here now, you're going to have things in place where the foreigner them can come stay with you.
Yes, man. Yes, man. That start put in place already. If you notice, see me take down that.
Yeah.
Start by paint, me I go paint up this side ground so.
Yeah.
So I will line up this side now. So if you give me another year or so, we can't start taking anybody. Now this juice here is a lemon juice. Strictly lemon.
See the people, when you come to stay with Baba, because I go say I go build Patrick. Hey, the people them hear me say I go build hotel with Patrick Council, you know. And them dog me out, you know. Them say Rondie has a promise thing and you know and do it. You see the spirit is a thing, Baba.
Yeah, how the spirit move.
You have to put it in.
Yes.
But then the land, enough for them land. So we can't build
So you
nothing on
can't
it.
build pan the land.
So the people, you see this here, so Jamaica. This is sour orange.
Sour orange.
These are the best lemonade. This is film is called Jamaica Good Life.
Jamaica Good Life.
This right here is plantain and callaloo. My love, all I know if you watch the program, it is a challenge for me to come and do the program all the time. Because me also have my life to live, you know. My daughter is 11. I know and love the films that Mama do. I love to sit down and talk with Baba. So Baba have wisdom. And what I'm trying to do in my life is to learn from Baba. Because I'm coming back here to live. And since he's King Baba and I'm in the village where farm the thing, I have to send my respect to him because I'm the elder. So, what I'm extending my you guys see me go to Botswana and my family there. This is when
it's natural work we are doing. Out of the Babylon system.
yeah.
If you die Negula, if you die man, if you know and you buy a plate of food like this, you pay $1,000 for it.
Yeah.
But then they might give you enough neither.
You know the beautiful thing about the plantain and the dumpling. Nothing else on the process. You know?
Nothing. Right, sir.
You see me? And the plantain is like banana, like a potassium.
No man, the banana is like plantain, man. The plantain is like the banana, same way.
Family, brother. It's delicious, man. I don't know if I'll put tonight.
No, sir. No, sir. No, but me tell you, I'm going to use oil to that. That's what I tell you with the garlic now. You watch the garlic now. You see how the garlic come out? See it in the burn?
Yeah, yeah.
Right. But if you fry it in the oil, it will burn up and turn black. So you juke up your like you. Yeah. You have the living taste of the garlic that go down in your mouth. Not true?
Yeah, man.
Ah.
It's wonderful, man.
So if you burn it out, that the taste cut out. I'm gonna fry no more. I cut out frying. One good thing when me fry is chicken. But any other thing when I look after, I'm cooking. And then we want to try to divert yourself to the cooking chicken too. Because you don't have to fry chicken. Because if we start to cook chicken now, we don't even have to need, we don't use oil when we cook chicken. Because the chicken processing in one oil.
Yeah, man, that's good.
When you eat this, I know we don't want nothing more till 6 o'clock, Steve. You know.
Mm-hmm.
A real food right, you know.
See the people. This is Jamaica Good Life.
Good life.
A man will drive up with a Benz in a foreign, you know. You can't get this a foreign right there, so like
Can't
this.
get this kind of item.
I saw me cooking up, Baba.
Mm-hmm.
I love it, man. Give thanks for your kindness, you see me? Because you have shown me a lot of kindness over the years, and I hear someone come and get me healing, and you know.
People them. Every time I go to people them ask me say how me look so young. I know ask me say, how old it is? You know how long me know you, how old it is now? You say, me a old man now, man. Me I get older now. You say, when you say old, what do you mean? You say, me a 60 a day old, you know. He said, no, sir, you don't reach that yet. You don't half reach 60 yet. Guys, the food you eat, you know. It's the food that your problem in your body, you know. The food, if you eat up this whole heap of junk food, all you do, fatten you and make you look like. I will tell you a story.
Yes, sir.
One day me to Mandeville. I go to Mandeville and I go look for Terry, my son. I'm turn up in the park, I'll wait till he drive in. And when he's coming, I'm going to shout him. I say, what go on, boss? And he hail me up and he come out of the car. Hear him to one man. And spot the man on his shoulder. I'm my old man this, you know. The man said, Lord Jesus, for your old man, that's... Then they say, you're the father. I'm his son.
Terry eat enough pork.
Eat no food, man. Yeah, belly big, say like how you feel belly.
And my belly, no, Terry belly big gone for me.
But no, if you tell you I get bigger for you.
You know, sir, I become a sit down back at the computer, edit all
Yeah,
these
man, I hit
videos.
man, I hit cast,
sit
man.
down
Yeah, man,
all
I
the
sit
time
down.
now.
They know that, man.
So Terry, I come tomorrow?
So you say, man, come up here.
So him say.
So when I do that chat and the man now, we did that chat and I laugh now. One man push one cat and come on. And start dipping in the argument now. And start talk how. You know, say me a big man, you know, me a big hard man, old man. I face grew up on things, you know. So one man join the conversation now. One elder man now join the conversation now and say, when you are there so I talk about your old man, how old you is? How old you is? Hear him get now. Me a 46-year-old man. When him say I'm 46 at that time, me about 57-year-old.
You never tell him?
Eh?
You never tell him?
No,
You embarrass him.
I embarrassed.
Too much pork and meat.
Say the man did that boy say my old man. The man knock me when you say my 46, I go 47. Because I'm 50 at me 10-year-old line.
It's good, man.
I look like one young boy around him.
Well, you know, a lot of people abroad can't live like you.
No, man.
And just give and take for everything, you know.
Yes.
Because when them catch you abroad now, them a 2-week vacation, then give you not, you know.
No.
You can't do nothing with 2 weeks now, Baba.
And you can't do it with two.
If 4 or 5 on the plane, by the time you go to your bed the first day. But Baba, you know, so when we come country still, you want a store when me here, you add more pressure to me, you know. That's why them staying at the hotel. The foreigners, them stay away from them own country people because...
Yeah. Hearing stories.
The story apply pressure to them.
Yes.
Them
man.
can't work so hard and I come off Jamaica and them can't put on them bag without a watch them bag.
Yes.
Man, I have to watch your bag.
Come
Cause
on, them walk on them after you back on your shoulder.
them have to watch them thing.
Living at them very hard already.
Yes. But you think me can't go town easy, you know?
Ah.
Me can't come there so and put on my body up so. Laptop up here so. But no, I can't put on nothing too easy.
No, man. You have to be happy with you. I don't tell you who won't take it. Don't tell you who won't hustle after to
People don't know me, no. I have a little crab. When I buy. I'm going to put it on my bag when I left my room, you know. You know me there? And the crab touch on a little metal on my bag. You know me there? I put my little crab on my bag. And people might say, oh, look what a nice little crab. And then go touch it. You see when I come back and look at my crab, and the claw and grip on the little metal when I put in pan, I say, I will never give you $1. You see my things, me test everybody around me. Make me put on my things and you touch it. And I know, so me set my crab.
You set your things there.
Me set my things, you know. And make you just touch it.
To be a watchman.
Yeah, make you just touch it. And that's how I know I can trust you.
Yeah, I fool on people things, man.
Because in a life, you see when I reach Negro, man, I meet Trusty. Let me tell you. Me want to know in a life more and more who I can be. Because you have to have people close to you. You know?
Well, to me the right answer now. That's why I say.
Off, right?
Whatever it costs me to keep dealing with me, they can have to have somebody who I can trust. I have to have somebody who know about me lying down and me uprising.
Yeah.
Somebody has to be there for me.
Yeah.
Because when he make sure that he come at night time before he go and be there.
Take care of you.
Check out and make sure that I'm alright. And when he left, he say, if anything, call me. Because I always make me a credit for the phone. If I'm a Christian, I'm call and say, how do you credit on the phone? I buy credit.
Yeah.
Back your credit come.
What month then about?
September.